How to fix the media keeps stopping error on Moto G77. Let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, so go to app library, scroll down and click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on system. After click on system, click on reset option and click on reset all settings. After click on reset all settings, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved, but if it not solved, go to app library, scroll down and click on settings app, search software update. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it is still not solved, click on again settings app, scroll down to and click on system and reset option and click on click on factory reset. After click on factory reset and click on erase all data. After click on erase all data, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix the media keep stopping error on Moto G77. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.